decisions as a private company that had no outside ownership. And so for about 5, 6, 7 years, starting a venture fund. I'm looking forward to talking with some of you about that this afternoon. We have a lot of new enterprises that we're contemplating, and some of which we're enacting. We're going to try to make the world more foolish, and I think a lot of it goes down to that. Let's pay off the $100+ million of debt. And my brother Tom, more than anybody, has had that vision and has enabled our enterprise to do that. And that
in front of a home crowd. And in fact, when Sion Bylock tells us that friendly faces may actually create pressure-filled situations,
why are you in the runaway lane?
You have to wonder if on
challenging than I expected. Christopher, my husband, and I have been dating from about...
And try to help.
Yeah, sure, of course.
Because it's right in front of you. You see it, you know, where you're going to ask. You don't ask their political affiliation. You don't ask, you don't care. You're going to help out everybody. This is one of the larger read.
So that has a bigger dial. We're actually designing one right now where it'll show you the range of temperatures over the last 20 minutes. So you can see the lowest and the highest to get some sense.
Because it does cycle.
It does cycle, and some ovens cycle differently than others.
Okay, that's right. They do, of course.
You know, I think the most important...
Continue to deteriorate. The U.S. now has Iran's media in its sights.
That was stopping.
Plotting terrorist attacks in the heart of Europe.
They're so proud of themselves.
By Cohen, in which he and then candidate Trump
discussed
arrangements surrounding a payment to former Playboy playmate Karen McDougal that was made by a third party.
What are you doing?
And that episode was met with large success. Everyone I talked to, you guys gave your feedback. You said, we really like that episode. Everything was fantastic. We really like listening from other industry experts that are in the field that are seeing this stuff day to day. Would you do a second?
Investigating the death of a young girl in Langley as a homicide. 7-year-old Aaliyah Rosa died on Sunday. Investigators believe a 36-year-old was involved in the incident. She was found injured at the scene and is now under medical care. Police have released a few other details. They did say, though, the public is not at risk. The sound is muddled, but it is Donald Trump on the secretly recorded tape. He appears to be talking to his then-lawyer, Michael Cohen, about a payment over an alleged affair with a Playboy model.
I'm all over that.
Sarah Nerling started to go out to these parking lots and to meet with the drivers, show them what it would look like to bid for jobs using text messages.
The training was amazing. We had, I think, 4 different grouped trainings where we invited the designated truckers and we walked them through how the bidding process would go.
What was their main question for you?
Why? Why make this change?
Why? Yeah, because at this point, like, things are going pretty well for them. They're in demand. They set their own prices.
I told them, imagine all the people who are sitting at home with their pits overflowing. These are the people who are not going to come to your garages, even though they're potential clients.
And now the guy's pissed off. This is cute. Listen to him. I think he's like blowing his horn back there too.
Out at sea. But these days, many sailors have weather radar on board and smartphones with internet access.
I'm surprised actually that it's still there.
Why?
Why another car not turning with the blinker on?
And I kind of like the idea of just being like, so bro, what's up? So thanks, Alex, for suggesting it.
So basically, this is whatever we've been reading over the last week, and the thing I liked the most was entitled Happy 20th Birthday Roth IRA. It was from IRAHealth.com, the website of Ed Slott, who is generally considered the world's premier expert on IRAs. And I didn't think about it, but it is. It's a 20-year anniversary of the launch of the Roth IRA. So just so we're all on the same page, the Roth, what's great about the Roth is the contributions are not tax deductible, but as long as you follow the rules, the money comes out tax-free. As compared to the traditional, whereas when you put the money in...
Chorizo, bacon, yellow potatoes, arepa, plantains, and tomatoes.
Yep. There's this thing that they have at Inca's, which is basically French fries for the base, and then they've got chunks of onion and bell pepper and chunks of beef, like about the size that would fit on a skewer. And they kind of serve it, and then they put over the fries. And everything Peruvian apparently involves a fried egg, like a soft fried egg. I hope the mics can't pick up the damn cat.
What's wrong with your cats?
Siamese, they make noise, and
without sort of giving too much the story away, it's very interesting to sort of look on the one hand of the what.
Sorry, man, are you in line here? Okay.
Yeah.